Alright, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. Never done this kind of video before, but we're gonna go meet someone. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, I hit 50k on YouTube a couple months ago and I gave away a Sakura Edition Kyuu to a random winner. I still haven't shipped it out, but there's a reason. I haven't shipped it out yet, but today is the day it finally gets delivered to the winner. So I'm going to drive out to Chino Hills, city near me, and then we're gonna go meet up with the winner finally. So let's get to it. So finally met up with ex-indie girl who won the 50k celebration giveaway, but I found out it's actually not for her. She entered to give the Kyuu away to her girlfriend. So I was wondering, like, why did you enter the giveaway for Crystal?
So I entered the giveaway for Crystal because I actually was trying to find a gift for her for her birthday, and I was getting super frustrated because, like, obviously this whole realm is like not my realm.
Yeah. So
I was like, whatever, like, let me just enter this giveaway. I know that Crystal is a big fan of yours.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so she watches a lot of your videos, and I was like, why not enter this giveaway for her? So I thought it would be a good opportunity.
Do you also like watch with her? How did you know that I was having it?
So I knew because she would always watch like your videos like randomly, and then you know what, I'm just gonna go on it just to see what it is, because I was like, maybe I could get some recommendations for, like, I don't know, like different stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, so I came across your giveaway video, and so I was like debating at first whether or not to enter, because what are the chances I'm gonna win?
Yeah.
So then I was like, forget it, I'm just gonna do it. Entered it, and I guess here we are, which I'm stoked.
I mean, to be honest, your username was kind of sus, but it's okay, it worked out.
I know, I was like,
so
whatever, send.
But yeah, it turned out she's local to where I am, kind of local. We kind of met at the halfway point.
Yeah.
We're at the shops?
The shops.
The shops
if you want to be
Chino
fancy,
Hills.
it's the shops.
Shops, alright, yeah. So Crystal doesn't know that she's getting this keyword today.
She does not.
Yeah, so Denise is going to go pick her up now. I'm just gonna wait here, kill some time, and we're gonna surprise her with the keyboard, and we'll see how she reacts.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, same here as well. So it's been about 30 minutes since Denise left to pick up Crystal. I'm camping out behind some CPK. So we're supposed to meet her at Drip Coffee right across the street. Hopefully she doesn't see me coming. I hope I don't get found out by a CPK worker. I look kind of sus, just like sitting out here. But there's the Kyuu. Alright, just to show off what we're giving away. Taeha types bag. Alright, this should be better. Jajan! There is the Kyuu in all its glory. Got a PCB. Brand new Taeha types bag. Included some stickers. Of course, the Taeha types microfiber cloth. So she should be getting here soon. I'm excited. Oh shoot, it's time. I'm walking with the Kyuu. Hope this is on camera. There's Drip. With this, even though, like, okay, technically, yeah, sure.
What the hell?
Hi.
Take that on your
Is it okay if I film this?
Okay.
Okay. So I don't know if you knew I was coming today, but
No, I did not.
did you know Denise entered my 50k giveaway?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait, I entered it too.
Oh, you entered it too? Okay, I don't know what your username is.
No way.
I don't know what your
No,
username
but
is.
there's like a lot of people.
But,
So I didn't think I was gonna win.
Denise won,
Are you serious?
and she entered for you.
No way, you
So,
won?
do you remember what the giveaway was?
Okay, it was like a little while ago, but wait.
Yeah, it's yours. You can open it.
No way, are you
Yeah, I'm
serious?
hand
Open
delivering
it.
it because you're
Open it.
local.
Oh
Yeah.
my god. Wow, I met my favorite YouTuber.
Hi.
I
This is
was watching
Crystal.
you since 9K, but
Really? Oh wow, she knows when she started watching.
Like an almost OG.
oh my
Yeah.
god, is this your case too?
Yeah, I included my own
Wow.
case on me, and then the keyboard was donated by a friend of mine, contract with the design. Did you purchase one?
No, I didn't.
No? Okay, not a true fan. I'm just
Oh my
kidding.
gosh, it's
I'm just
exploding.
kidding. I was supposed to deliver it a long time ago, but it kind of worked out. This is an early Christmas present. That's when I'll probably release it. Like
Oh
a
my
holiday
god, I'm like
video.
shaking. Should I be touching this right now?
Yeah, it's
Do
all
I need
yours.
gloves? Is
No,
this
it's
like
yours. I included stickers
Well,
too.
he
I don't know if
uses
you have
gloves.
Oh my
stickers.
gosh, yes.
No, I don't use gloves.
Oh
Yeah,
my
so that's
gosh,
the soccer edition
So
here.
nice.
PCB. It took a while because the PCB needed some time
Uh-huh.
to get manufactured. But yeah,
Oh my gosh.
it's all yours now. Do you have a custom keyboard yet?
Yeah, I have one. I
Oh,
got
you have
like
one?
the Think 6.5. I actually
Oh, shoot,
got
okay.
a keyboard because like I started watching your videos.
Oh, okay. That's
And then
cool.
like Denise would know because like when I study, I would like listen
Yeah, she
to
told
like
me.
your builds.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Whoa.
I'm like shaking. Thank you so much. Oh
No
my
problem,
gosh.
yeah.
I had me.
Finally glad it happened.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Denise, how did you win this?
How?
Wait, I'm gonna give Denise one.
What? Oh, you're gonna give Denise
Yeah,
a
I'm
hug.
gonna give
Oh,
Denise a
okay.
hug.
This is going on YouTube, please.
Oh my ow!
No, this
Yeah,
is just
such a
going
Did you
on
actually win
Instagram.
this? How did you win this?
Oh no.
Oh no.
She bought me a coffee. Traded a Kyuu for a coffee. Hashtag worth. Nice.